How's it going, guys? In this episode, I'm going to show you how you can use your accessibility shortcuts on your iPhone. These can come in handy if you want to access an application quickly by using the power button right here on your right. So, for example, let's go into settings. Mine is right here, but you can also find it by swiping down from the middle of your screen like so. Just type in the word settings, click here, and we're going to scroll down. Okay, right here where it says accessibility, click on that. Okay, now we're going to scroll down, and right here where it says accessibility shortcut, click on that. All right, so what this does is, as you can see here, it says configure, then triple click the side button to toggle accessibility features on or off. So basically triple click the side button in order to activate any of these commands. So right now I have it set up so that if I triple click the side button, it's going to activate the assistive touch. It's going to turn it on. But I can also select other options. For example, I can also select increase contrast or background sounds, but for this example I think assistive touch is going to work well. So let's give it a shot. I'm going to click 3 times the side button right here, and let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3, and there it is. Look, it appears. This is the assistive touch. If I click on that, this is the options that I have set for the assistive touch. Some people use these, so some people don't. I usually don't, but the people that do use it find it very helpful. So in order to turn it off again, I can do this. I can triple click, 1, 2, 3, and boom, it's gone. So that's great, right? Let me see if there's something else. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's basically it, guys. So head back over here. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Cheers.